traditional Chinese system explained that this organ comes on the index finger. So if you are finding any ailments related with these organs, you can find the change in the Vata nut. Clear? समझ में आया? Now tell me the organs which represents the Pitta dosha. Where there is fire, where there is Agni. Liver, very nice. Another one? Gallbladder, very nice. Another one? Stomach. Oh, wow. सबको पता है. नाड़ी तो आता है आपको. You all know. So all these organs come in which finger? Middle finger. Pitta dosha. Middle finger. So if you want to know the problem related to the gallbladder, problem related to the liver, problem related to the stomach, problem related to the spleen, you find the change in which finger? Middle finger. Madhyam Ungari. Good organ. And tell me which organ brings very lethargic, very like kapha. Which organ? Tell me. Huh? Miss Jal Mahabhut Pradhan. पृथ्वी महाभूत प्रधान. कफा means जल महाभूत प्रधान organ. Tell me the name. Bladder, very nice. Bladder, uterus also very still. Huh? Bladder, kidney. So you find these organs in the ring finger, the third finger. That is the kapha. So this is the concept of the organ. So if you are, there are so many variations. It is not possible to explain wholly. I will take. So I will not concise the Vidya Karma session. So I will. Vidya Karma is also very practical insight. But I am just giving you the clinical insight. How we find the changes in the organ. Second thing is that the Oja, Teja and Prana. Oja, Teja, Prana. Oja, Teja, Prana we find in ring finger. Oja, Teja in the middle. And in index finger, the prana, Oja, Teja, prana. Third thing is that fourth and fifth. Fifth one is the dhatu. I am just explaining the important things. Like we can find the vata, variations of in index finger. There are 5 towards the thumb. Dono sides are 2 sides. Distal means towards the thumb, and proximal means towards the heart. So towards the thumb, always we start the division of vata, prana. Then another point is udana. Then center is the samana. Then dhyana. Then apana. And each variation you can find the daytime as well as the night time.